Ask one Don Ztekk and me signature. Me too rich, me no keep up with the media.
Yeah. Go on, youth, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, youth, yeah, star. Only per pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and stand hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this. Contents that you like, contents that you like to listen. Alright, so today we want to talk about Prince Swanny artist Byron Messia. The youth is a talented artist and I love him vocals, I love how him deliver, him tune them, and him just released this new song, Stay Real. So he must stay real even when it pain him. You see me? Make we get into it. Stay tuned for the breakdown.
If you looking at me at a pain and drugs, baby girl, me know you're jealous of my status. I touch the road, me grab my Glock before me drag us. Got me not seen the individual, me adjust. Look how reality I come me life I turn. Been look up to rappers, now them rappers looking at us.
If you're looking at my art, are pain and drugs from betrayal and drugs from trying to numb the pain. Anyway you take it, my heart is hurting right now. Living the life as an artist that comes with fame. And baby, me know say you're jealous of me because you see some sexier girls, some cleaner girls around me. And because of that, me know you're jealous of my status. Before me touch the road, me have to know say yo, my Glock 19 then near me. Me have to draw for my Glock 19 before me even put on my pants, before me even put on my shirt. You see me? Because me know say the street no love nobody and the street not safe. You see me? The street not safe outside and me not trust nobody, no individual outside. Me not trust. Me used to look up to rappers, them used to be my idols. And right now the rappers them a look up to we in the game. The rappers them a come to we in the game for your feature. You see me? That is progress.
Have a black party, I love Black Lives Matters. Rapper with the choppers, and if you make it a buzz, them can't feel how me pain feel. Them sell me out, but me stay real. Right now my mind racing. Father God, grip me stay real.
Have a black 40 and Black Life Matters. So the dog say yo, him have a black 40 with dark like him heart and him keep it close. Anybody will try to test, him a go use it even if those same people are from him own race. You see me? Because Black Life Matters nonetheless. And him have a chopper and if you try this, him a go turn it on. It a go off. Me can't feel pain. So I say yo, me can't feel pain no more. And him can't feel pain. The reason being, he's numb from the excruciating pain where people cause him from selling him out. Them sell him out and them let him down. But we stay real. We not go down to them level. We not go stoop down to their level because real people stay real and learn from them mistake. Yo, my mind a race right now. Father God, we stay real.
I mean, I know what them a pray man for. Mommy don't tell me feeling pan God. Me put me trust in me demons cause. And the 15 where I lean pan wall. Yo, Papa, what the fuck them a pray me for? Ask one Don Ztekk and me signature. Me too rich, me no keep up with the media.
Me don't know what them a pre me for. I could not tell you the reason why these guys are preying me so much. You see me? Because it don't make no sense. You give people your all, you give them your trust and them still find fault. You see me? You go above and beyond for them and them still find fault. Mommy go church every Sunday and say my son, lean on God. He will deliver you. But you know we are disobedient youth in our street. Guess what? Me put my trust in the demon. AR-15 will lean pan the wall because me know when me squeeze that, it a go register. You see me? It a go connect pan a man. Stop praying with you, stop praying with, cause guess what? Ztekk I'm a signature. Ztekk me there, you see me? And we're rich, we no keep up with the media. So wealthy people now go sit down on TV because pre this. Them ask Lamborghini why them not advertise. Lamborghini say our target audience is not sitting around watching TV. That only show you say yo, rich people not have time to sit down on TV or watch TV all day. Rich people out there and I get it. You see me? So the dog say yo, him not really a pre the media and a pre vloggers and a pre everything we are going. Him a focus on the goal, him a focus on the mission and him not lose sight of that. If you make it to the end of this video, thanks for the likes, subscribe, comments, shares. As always, I'm out.
Them fi go fuck themself, did them catch the media. Them say me can't fly home, see me visa, yeah. Big up me, that's for me street, them yeah, I'm real dinner.